Okay, I don't know whether you can see it. If you can see the slight movements, okay, that's a windmill, and the sun's rays is falling. It's giving kind of a shadow if you can see that. Hi everyone, very good morning to all of you, and welcome to yet another Terrific Tuesday vlog series. Okay, it's 5:53. Okay, so almost 6 a.m. in the morning here, and today our plan is to go for a trail. Okay, that is why I'm up so early and all ready. So we'll just board the car and we'll go to Mount Wachusett. So it's around 1 hour or 1.5 hour from our place. So that's the plan. We are going to trail today, like trek today, and we'll be back in the evening. So let's see. I'm still half asleep, but yes, let's do it. Okay, hi everyone. So finally we have reached our destination. It's called Mount Massachusetts. So it's one of the highest points in the Massachusetts on the East Connecticut River, and it's at an elevation of around 2000 feet. Okay, so right now we are starting our hike. Okay, it's a very famous place for hiking and jogging. So right now we are just about to start our hike. It should take around 3 miles for us to complete. Okay, and that is about 2.5 hours. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated. Till then, let's go. Okay, so I did some research. There are around 16 trails, okay, in the entire Massachusetts region, okay, Mount Massachusetts region, and this is the one that we are going to hike to. So this is called the Harrington Trail. So this is where we begin the trail, and plan is when we reach to the top of the mountain, Massachusetts Mountain, we'll be able to see around four different mountains. One is called the Mount Monadnock, and we will also see the Boston side from the top of the mountain. So that's the plan. Okay, let's see. It looks kind of very adventurous. Okay, this is my first trail here in Massachusetts. So let's see how it goes.
So guys, how's it been so far?
So far, so good. Waiting for the view at the top.
Looking at you guys, it doesn't look like Karthik cameo appearance. Terrific Tuesdays. What's up, Kushal? Kushal's like, why did I listen to Sandat? Why did I say okay? It's okay, guys. Just a little ways to go. There, mountain top, somewhere there.
Okay, I don't know whether you can see it. If you can see the slight movements, okay, that's a windmill, and the sun's rays is falling. It's giving kind of a shadow if you can see that. Okay, and right now as I talk, I am into the woods, and this is going to be something really interesting and adventurous that I'm looking forward to. Once again, the windmill.
Ashwarya, yay!
Okay, so we have covered major portion of the trail, and I think it's around 10 more minutes and we'll reach the top of the mountain. So we are planning to hike to the Mount Massachusetts summit. Okay, so that is where we are to go, and if you would want to see, I can show you that, you know, where we are headed. Okay, so if you can see there, I'm going to go that side, climb up, hike towards the mountain. Stay glued. Okay, and if you can see, I'm already, like, you know, drained, but last 10 minutes to go, so let's do this. Okay, so finally reached the top. I can see a way, I can see the roads. Follow me and let's see what's there ahead. Oh.
कार इधर आता है आराम से तुम लेके आओ
वो ले लो उसके हाथ में.
अरे इंक अव्वलेरा ट्रेल
Hi. Okay, so this is the view from the top. After 1.5 hours of hiking, we have reached this place. Just wait for the second. I'm going to show you beautiful mountains there. Hi everyone, so after again 1.5 hours of climb, as I already mentioned, we are here at the top of Mount Massachusetts. So you can see there, like, you know, I don't know whether it is visible or no. So those are all the mountain ranges. So I guess I read one side is Mount Monadnock and the other side that is probably Mount Massachusetts. So this is the highest point at the East Connecticut river side. Okay, so in Massachusetts, highest point on the East Connecticut river, and it took us around 1.5 hours to, you know, hike here. There is, in fact, like, you know, if you don't want to hike actually the mountain, so there is a straight road also that goes up. But what we did was we parked the car down where the Harrington Trail begins, and we hiked up the mountain. So here we are, and now it's going to take us about another 1.5 hours to go down, reach our car, and then we'll go home. So if you can see, the view here is amazing, and after you have actually climbed up the trail and took, like, you know, 1.5 hours, so this view seems more amazing. Okay, if that's visible, there is a board there. Okay, just a second, I'll zoom it up. So it's written Old Indian Trail. So Old Indian Trail in Massachusetts. Okay, can you see this? Yeah, this one. Okay, so we are done with the hike. Now we are walking down towards our car, and this is the way. It's kind of very steep, so I'm going to shut the camera for now, and I will see you at the bottom of this mountain. Almost done with the steep climbing down, and right now these are like straight ways I'm going down, and in about 5 minutes I'll reach the bottom of the hill, and we'll take the car and go back home. So this has been a good trek. Like, it's a very short trek, not a very tedious one. Just that, like, it was a first trek, first hike, in fact, not a trek. So like, we enjoyed it so much. The view from the top was mesmerizing, definitely. And the more important part is that I am more of a mountain person than a beach person. Though that's a different thing, that I stay in Boston and it's surrounded by water on all sides. So mostly whenever we have to, like, go out, just chill out, so we usually get to go to beaches only. Although there are like a lot of trails, okay. But like, all of these trails are at a distance of, like, you need to have a car, or like, you can't use any public transport, so you need to have a car. So they are around 1 hour, 1.5 hours, so you have to go till there and then do the this thing, then you have to start your hiking. Whereas when you talk about beaches, so you can actually, like, use Uber and you can just go chill out there. So yeah, being a mountain person in the US, this was my first short trail, not a very long trail, but I had too much fun. The best part which I like about hikes is that, when you go to the top, I know it becomes sometimes very much tiring while we were climbing here also. So at a point we were like, okay, now this is becoming very difficult. But finally, when you reach the top and once you see the view from there, then you are just awestruck, and that feeling that you get, I can't even explain. That's the best one there. So yeah, I am there down the hill, and just going there. My car is parked there, and after this I'll be heading home. So it's just 10:30 in the morning, I guess. We left home at around 6 o'clock in the morning, and 6 o'clock, yeah, we left 6 o'clock in the morning, and right now we are done. We'll get in the car and we'll go home. Our plan is to explore some good food places and restaurants in and around Boston for rest of the day. First we'll have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, food hogging begins now. Bye bye. See you on next Terrific Tuesday vlog. Bye bye. Hope you guys had fun. If you had fun, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you are liking my vlogs, whatever you want me to do next, any feedback you have, please feel free to drop in comments. I'll make sure that I implement all of these in my next vlogs. Bye bye.